Hello! This is a quick walkthrough on how to install your H11, H9, H8 low beam AutoSky LED headlight Platinum Series and 9005 HB3 high beam AutoSky LED headlight Platinum Series on a 2018 Ford F150. First, you'll have to locate the screws for your wheel cover since you'll be accessing the light through your wheel cover. Now, after locating your screws, you'll need to unscrew them so we can move your wheel cover just enough to have room to access your headlight housing. For your safety and for the truck's safety, we suggest that you use gloves and never touch the actual LED chip, since the oil in your hands could properly mess it up. You will need to take the dust cover off for the headlight housing to access the light itself. There, you will have to rotate the existing light to remove it and then unhook it from the wiring. On this truck, the top one is a low beam H11 and the bottom one is a high beam 9005. Now, with the proper gloves, let's do the low beam first. Open up your AutoSky LED headlight Platinum Series H11 bulb and place it inside the headlight housing. All you have to do is twist it into place. Now that it's in the proper housing and the LED chips are facing the correct location, connect the wiring and turn on the truck to see if the LED lights are working. Remember, we want the LED chips to be facing at 3 and 9 o'clock for the best possible beam pattern. If the LED chips are not facing 3 and 9 o'clock, you can always rotate it in the locking ring with the wrench provided. Always make sure it's working before setting everything back into place. Now, let's do the high beam. After removing the existing bulb and unhooking it from the wire, open your AutoSky LED Headlight Platinum Series 9005 bulb to place it in the headlight housing. You'll need to twist it into place, and remember, the LED chips need to be facing 3 and 9 o'clock. Here, as you can see, I needed to adjust the bulb locking rings in order to make sure the LED chips were facing 3 and 9 o'clock correctly inside the headlight. Once it's all set, go ahead and test it out before putting everything back into place. On this truck, we decided to put our driver, the small metal box, inside the headlight housing since the small design of our LEDs fit perfectly even with the dust covers on. Just make sure that the wires are not touching the LEDs since it does get hot in there. Then, we put the dust cover back on. Don't worry, you're almost done. Now we just need to put the wheel cover back into place and tighten up the screws before finishing the job. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your H1, H9, H8 low beam AutoSky LED headlight Platinum Series and 9005 HB3 high beam AutoSky LED headlight Platinum Series on a 2018 F150. Go ahead and take a look at those new lights. They're bright and have a great beam pattern. Enjoy!